Hi, I'm Max Rodriguez, publisher of QBR, the Black Book Review, and founder of the Harlem Book Fair. The word for witch derives from the Old English noun Wicca. The modern spelling with T first appeared in the 16th century. The word witch was first found in the 16th century as a bad word for an old woman. If that's too much ancient history for you, you might recall the 1960s TV sitcom Bewitched. Samantha, a witch, marries Darren, a mortal. Samantha tries very hard to comply with Darren's wishes to be a normal suburban housewife, but her family disapproves of the relationship and comically interferes whenever they can. Or you might remember Charmed, the 1980s sitcom that took place in San Francisco featuring a family of 3 Wiccan sisters. It ran for 8 seasons, so you should not be surprised to find out that your next door neighbor or your neighbor down the street is actually a family of witches or warlocks. The Magies are a family of witches and warlocks who have moved from New Orleans to start their life anew in a place where no one knows them. As adult witches, they know the wisdom of keeping their power undercover. Raising 5 kids who have similar powers proves more than they can handle. It's all the worse knowing that they're being hunted by government-sponsored agents who are sent to track them down for capture, for observation, for experimentation, and ultimate annihilation. This quick read is far from your average run-of-the-mill television sitcom. The Magies are not your Addams Family. Lurch will not answer the door on your knock, which is why It's in Our Nature might be a good book for you to read. That family down the street, it has always looked a little too perfect, hasn't it?